नहीं, ये प्रॉब्लम है कि ये सारे जितने रिलीजियस लीडर्स हैं, पहले अनिला सिंह रिस्पॉन्ड करना चाहती हैं. लास्ट टाइम हर audio was not clear. Viewers, I still feel that religious leaders get away. Karan, right after Anila, please. Anila. Religious leaders get away because they are seen to have political clout. Yes, Anila.
See, first of all, Arnab, I am very clear that whoever is responsible for this unfortunate incident, that person or that organization.
Now, how is this person absconding? My question is, how is Narayan Hari absconding? Why has the Yogi government not arrested him so far? Over 120 people have died.
How can
probably.
You say that he won't be arrested by the police administration of Uttar Pradesh. How can you say that?
No, he has not been arrested so far. He seems to be absconding. That's what we are hearing.
Please allow me to complete. You were not interjecting, Mohan Yadav ji. Allow me to complete. Just now I heard, अरे वो जो दल होता है वहाँ पे CSP का होता रहता है, तो now Samajwadi Party is going to tell that how to deliver the governance of
Manoj Yadav ji,
plan मतलब क्या होता है?
Manoj Yadav ji, please
सरकार की
लोगों के ऊपर गाली क्या?
अनिला जी, आप अपनी सरकार की जिम्मेदारी का जवाब दीजिए. हमने कोई इंटरप्ट नहीं किया आपको.
Do not try to preach us and tell us that
क्या बात करती हैं आप यहाँ पे बैठ के? देखिए अर्णव जी, मैं राजनीति नहीं कर रहा हूँ और ये प्रशासन को बचाने में लग गई. वो गजब है बीजेपी की प्रवक्ता. अब पुलिस प्रशासन को बचाने में लग गई.
आशीष त्रिवेदी को राइट पे रखिए.
क्यों नहीं कहती हैं आप?
प्लीज, बिकॉज़ आई कैन सी वन गेस्ट ऑन फोन.
क्यों नहीं आप कहती हैं कि नहीं पुलिस प्रशासन की गलती है? क्यों नहीं आप कहती है कि जिला प्रशासन की गलती है? क्यों नहीं अपने निश्चय की बात करते? समाजवादी पार्टी के ऊपर सवाल उठा लेने से क्या घटना खत्म हो जाएगी क्या?
इन्वेस्टिगेशन के कह दूं क्या?
नहीं, आप लोग जवाब
करने की क्या बात है? जो प्रिलिमिनरी कोई भी जो खबर आ रही है, हमारे रिपोर्टर्स कह रहे हैं अनिला जी, इसमें जांच की क्या बात हो गई? एक आशीष जी, अखिल जी, एक मिनट, मैं एक बात कहूंगा. अनिला जी देखिए, थोड़ी विनम्रता दिखाइए. इसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन की कोई बात नहीं है, ये गुंजाइश ही नहीं. आप बताइए मुझे, 1.5-2 लाख लोगों के लिए आपने क्या अरेंजमेंट्स किए थे? एसडीएम ने कितने लोगों की परमिशन दी थी? अगर एक सिंगल एंट्री और एग्जिट पॉइंट है, उस पता करना कि इतने 1.5-2 लाख लोग पहुंच के एक दरवाजे से सब बाहर जाएंगे, एक से निकलेंगे, एक से अंदर आएंगे, ये तो भगदड़ होगी इस तरह से. करण,
just allow me for 5 seconds here. Arnab, I just want to say one thing here. If SDM is responsible, if DM is responsible, if SSP is responsible, if circle officer of that area is responsible, do you think they will be spared?
Well, they should not be. Obviously, I hope not. I hope not. Karan is on the debate. Karan, most unfortunate incident. Karan.
Arnab, let me just address this issue objectively. I mean, these are precious lives that have been lost. In 2015, the National Disaster Management Authority had come up with guidelines, and precisely the guidelines for an unprecedented event like this. And it's not unprecedented, it's happened, but the volume, the scale at which it has happened is unbelievable. 100 lives lost. It had talked about suffocation, how there should be dehumidifiers that should be placed. It spoke about open spaces. It talked about how to deal with situations like panic. Unfortunately, from 2015 to 2024, it hasn't been made a compulsion. It is still not one of those compliances. Just as you've created a studio, you need to have a fire extinguisher, right? That's a compliance that you have to abide by. Similarly, these are compliances, unfortunately, which have not been implemented by law. And it should be made legal.
I agree with you.
I mean, there have been so many sittings of the NDMA from 2016, 18, 20.
No,
just let me complete.
When it doesn't happen,
2016, 18,
when
20,
it doesn't happen, you can't. 1 minute. When it doesn't happen, we expect. See. Understand, there is either 100% compliance or no compliance. That's my view. If you have the bulldozer approach while running the government of UP, that approach should also extend to all those who violate the law. In this case, obviously, Narayan Hari Baba has violated the law. He should not be allowed to go absconding and get away. He needs to be arrested.
And he will meet the... He will not go absconding. I am 100% sure he will not go absconding.
Okay.
He has to be made answerable. But Arnab, to
Major
blame,
Ashish, you want to say
police,
something?
Wait 1 second, Arnab. To blame everything on the district
but not to blame anyone is also not making sense to me.
I come from Lucknow.
No, you can say to blame everything on district administration. Who else should I blame?